We are students at the Karls Institute of Technology, and we are the project managers of the Gramodaya project of our student association Engineers Without Borders.
We are a team of about 25 students of various faculties working on the Gramodaya project. We will build a solar-powered community center, and we will introduce small-scale biogas plants in the northeast of India.
India is one of the largest and most populated countries in the world. If we think about India, we see IT experts, delicious food, and a colorful cultural diversity. The increasing wealth doesn't reach the whole population, especially the Adivasis are neglected and forgotten. The Adivasis are a heterogeneous set of ethnic and tribal groups, considered as the aboriginal population of India. Many Adivasis have been expelled to give place for new industrial locations and increasing urbanization. As a consequence, they are more and more losing the rural area where they usually live and work in the fields. Fundamental needs such as school education, electricity and water supply, and medical care enters their life very slowly. That was also recognized by our local partner, Antyodaya Chetana Mandal, who runs an eye hospital for the poorest of the poor.
We want to strengthen the independence and the community feeling in Hudisai. Therefore, we want to offer a long-term perspective through education, empowerment, and innovative community development. Engineers Without Borders. That's more than 250 students working voluntarily on 8 different projects.
Since EWB has been founded more than 10 years ago, we deployed various projects all around the world. For example, in Uganda, where we built fishing ports, sanitary systems, and toilet facilities for small rural communities. Or after the earthquake in Haiti in 2010, where we built a water cistern with its own filtering system. Or a school in Port-au-Prince to supply hundreds of students with drinking water. One of the literally largest projects was the construction of a suspension bridge in Sri Lanka, where we worked closely together with the locals. Working closely together with the locals is an essential part of EWB's philosophy, since our goal is to enhance the living standards of people in need by finding solutions for the current demands, by developing sustainable results with and for the locals under application of our engineering skill.
Yeah, we saw about your different projects, and we can be for sure that the donation will really help the people on site. Otherwise, if you give something to whoever worldwide company, you never know where this money ends up. We are absolutely sure that it's a dedicated donation to this project there, and we are happy to help the people there since they need help as well, and so that was why we took this decision.
The idea behind the biogas project is not just to help the Hudisai village with bringing in a clean source of energy. We also want to create a new environmental friendly consciousness in the region. With the installation of the biogas plants, the villagers will be able to transform animal feces into a flammable gas, which will be used to cook and illuminate each household. The Hudisais are not just going to benefit of the production of biogas, they will be also able to use the fermented feces as a high-quality fertilizer.
With the support of an experienced architect, we are currently working on a concept for the community center. We want to create a place for assemblies, social communication and educational lectures. Furthermore, ACM will use it as a facility to offer basic healthcare and workshops on women's rights. Based on these use cases, we designed the building for about 200 people. Additionally, we want to install solar panels for gaining electricity.
As tools and materials, we only use what is available locally to support the local economy.
It exists a very important feature of EWB, which distinguishes us clearly from large organizations. Every euro goes directly to the project. There are no personal costs. There is no administrative burden. For realizing our project, we depend on your support. Please help us with your donation.